Hey there, Mr. Johnson. It is Tuesday, August 28th, and remember that hurricane I was talking about that was going to hit? That hurricane is incredible. So yes, it turns out that every now and then even weathermen are wrong, and in fact, that hurricane was just a really mopey Monday. It didn't even, nothing flooded incredibly, there wasn't even a torrential downpour really, it was just very consistent drizzles. But anyway, after today, I will have officially been taking classes for an entire week this semester because for some reason classes started on a Wednesday, which they don't normally do, but you know, whatever boats there float. And after our Rush event tonight, I'll be free sailing until Thursday morning. Oh, yeah. Rush is happening for my organization, which I kind of forgot to mention, but I'm in charge of this semester. Last semester we held an election for Vice President of Membership, which is the person who is in charge of Rush and bringing candidates into the sisterhood, and I was elected as that Vice President. So if we were to look at the totem pole of my organization, I would be around the third tier down from the top, which makes me feel kind of weird that I'm a leader in an organization. But we had our first Rush event yesterday, and it went, quite frankly, swimmingly. So I guess that's really a good start to the semester. I've also had a good start academics-wise because I've already turned my homework in on time, which is really good and great, and I was not in that habit last year. About your new vlogging setup, I really like it, and I might do that in my room somewhere, but I don't really see the opportunity. I don't think there's really a nice corner for me to sit in and vlog from. About Arang and the Magistrate, it sounded like you were describing a biography on The Sims. Which I'm not saying is a bad thing, and it sounds interesting, and I'm perfectly willing to watch it. But unfortunately I can't start on it this week or next week because Rush is a 2-week long process. So Steve, I'll see you tomorrow.